We're down in Geelong and we have a beehive moved into this wall a few days ago. These walls are usually really easy to pull apart. They're all just sort of like giant Lego blocks. So we'll back the bees out and then fill the cavity with some old clothing just to delete the cavity. Here's the bees. They're in under there. So we'll get cracking, getting them out, go from there. Okay, a couple of days in and the girls have already started building a fair whack of comb. They're doing a good job. Great job. Okay. Alright. You can see they've made quite a lot in just a day and a half. Got well over half the hive so far. I'll just keep going, get the rest. I'm blindly bee backing, so I might not be able to cage the queen, so I might back her without seeing her. Hence the bee vacs on a much lower pressure than normal. But we'll just plod along and see what happens. Okay, one little bit of comb left. There we go. Quite a few bees to go. We're well on the way. Okay, so that's the cavity. I've emptied it out. That's the comb that they built in a day and a half. And there is the queen. I'm just going to mark her up, then put her in the vacuum box, and then vacuum the stragglers, and then we're done. Okay, so there's the queen with a purple dot on her back, as always, because we don't know how old she is, so we've used purple because it's not part of the normal colouring system. I'll now put her in the cage, put her in the vacuum box, and just get the stragglers. And the final step, just fill the cavity with old clothing. That way there's no cavity for the bees to come back to, or a future swarm to go, oh, this smells like bees and we want to move in, because they won't have room to actually make a hive. Over time the landowner should fill these other cavities just to bee-proof the rest, but on the whole that's that done. Maybe 10 foragers missed. I haven't seen a forager for a while, but hives out, combs out, queen's in the cage. Looks like we're done. Can take them to quarantine.